This must be the place. Hello there, my name is Brendan the Leprechaun. Now, I know there's no such thing as leprechauns, but that's who I am. I flew all the way from Ireland to say Happy St. Patrick's Day to all the Irish. And everyone is Irish on St. Patrick's Day. Oh look, that man down there isn't wearing green today. We'll have to go down and teach him a lesson. Oh, that was fun. Let's do that again. Oh no! Oh no! I caught you! I caught you! Now you gotta give me your pot of gold. That's what the legend says. You gotta give me your pot of gold. It's true, laddie. You caught me fair and square. The pot of gold is yours for the taking. Oh look, your shoestring's untied. What? Happy St. Patrick's Day. Until we meet again, may you have the luck of the Irish.